and it actually came out pretty good. Actually came out pretty great.
Lord, show me. Yes, sir. Send me the way. Yes, sir. Send me the way. Show me. Lord, show me. Show me. Lord, show me.
Yes, sir. What's going on, family? Welcome back to Godriven TV with your boy, LaShawn Taylor. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make stickers using your Cricut. I did already do a stickers video. This time, we're gonna be doing something a little different. I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make your own stickers using the words, using the font in Cricut Design Space, and creating your own stickers inside of Cricut Design Space. So you don't even have to leave the app for this one. You don't have to go to Google. You don't have to use no app on your phone. Straight on Cricut Design Space. And we're gonna go ahead and get straight into this video right now. All right, so once you have your Cricut Design Space open, what you're gonna do first is hit the text button. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just type Godriven. Move it over just a little bit. I'm gonna change the color to black starting off, and I'm gonna click on it one more time, and I'm gonna change the font. And you can find the font up in this upper left hand corner. I'm gonna go with this DIN condensed font. Okay, so boom, I actually like the way that, I like how bold that looks. And just to try to juice this up a little bit, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just curve it. Just curve it a little bit, just to make it look a little better. Make it more eye-catching, I should say. So after curving it, what I wanted to go ahead and do is change the color of the lettering. I want to go ahead and make each letter have its own color. So I just clicked on it. After you click on your word, you'll come over here to the advanced icon, tap it, and hit ungroup to letters. And now each letter is individually, so you can move it around if you wanted to move it around like that. But I'll go ahead and hit that undo button. So now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just make every single letter its own color. So I'm gonna start off with the G as a red color and just do the same thing for each letter. This one I'll probably make baby blue. This one, let's get some yellow in here. Let's get another blue. This one, let's get some green in here. And of course, you don't have to do this, but for video purposes, just to make it look better, more eye-catching, you know. This is what we're gonna go ahead and do. And I actually love the way all of this looks. After this, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is highlight all of the letters. From here, you'll go ahead and hit this icon that says offset at the top. You'll click it. And here is how you make your words into a sticker. Hold on, let me close this out, and I'm gonna drag the letters down so you can see it in the screen. And I'm gonna hit offset one more time. The blue around it is what the sticker is going to actually show. And the way you control it is this distance. So just depending on how you want it to look. If you want it to be like a big block like this, or if you want the letters to be more defined, you know, you can control all of that with this distance button. And when you're done messing around with it, you'll click apply. And as you can see, this is the offset result over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and click this, and I'm gonna change that color to white, so it can look more like a sticker. And you see how next to the E you have like a space in between? Now if you leave that there, it will cut out this sticker exactly with that space in between, but I don't want it like that. So what we'll go ahead and do is, after you click on it, you'll come down here to contour, and you'll come right here where it says hide all contours, and so you'll hide that part. That way you see it's gone, and now it's looking like a sticker all the way across. So we'll highlight this whole thing one more time, and we'll come down here to where it says flatten. And what that just did, that connected all of the letters together, and it also made the design into a print then cut design, which is exactly what we need to make our sticker. All right, so now what I'm gonna go ahead and do one more time is hit the offset button, because I would just want my stickers to be even more defined than what it would already be right now. So I'm gonna give it like another background. This time I'm gonna make it black. So after you just play with the distance one more time and you see how much space you want, you'll go ahead and hit apply one more time. This time what I'm gonna do is take the sticker and move it just up a little bit, and as you can see, it gives it an even more defined look in the sticker, just like that. Ooh, I love the way that looks. And then what we'll go ahead and do after you do that one more time, we'll highlight the whole image again and hit flatten again. This way it connects that black offset to the whole design and you see the whole sticker. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and duplicate this so that we can print out just a few stickers for the design. And I'm gonna go ahead and leave it at this sizing. It's currently at 4.823, close to about 5 inches. We're gonna go ahead and leave it at that. So once you're done with your sticker design, you'll come over here and press make it. You want to make sure that you leave this blank. You don't want to mirror this design. If you mirror it, it's going to be in reverse. So you'll come down here and press continue. And from here, you'll hit send to printer. Now for this design, we're going to go ahead and take the bleed off, because I kind of already doubled it with the 2 offsets. So we don't really need that. And I don't want to have that extra effect. I believe it's going to cut the way it needs to cut. So the printer we're using is the Epson WF7710, and we're gonna go ahead and send it to the printer. All right, so the paper we're gonna be using is this Craftables printable sticker paper. It is also waterproof. I have this also linked in my Amazon store, so you can go directly there. I definitely recommend this paper. This paper has worked wonders in different projects that I've done so far. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and get this put in our inkjet printer. All right, so there are 2 sides on this paper. You have a back side, and here's the side that you'll be printing on, the front side. So what you'll go ahead and do is place the paper in the printer with the back side, the part with the designs facing up. And this type of paper is matte. With this specific printer, you'll choose the premium matte setting. Hit close. And now your paper is ready. So we'll head right back to the Cricut design space and hit the print button. All right, and here's what it should look like coming out of your printer. And here's what your finished print should look like. Now this rectangle is basically to help your Cricut calibrate what it needs to cut, and it looks exactly how it looks on the screen. So now what we'll go ahead and do is put this paper on our Cricut mat and get this cut out. All right, so now we're getting ready to place it on our Cricut mat. Now the setting that you want to have it set to cut out is this Principal Iron On Dark. So we'll go ahead and click that, and now our Cricut set to cut out our stickers. All right, so we'll go ahead and just line this up at the edge of our mat and make sure it's lined up the same exact way it looks on our Cricut design space. Now we'll go ahead and place this in the Cricut. All right, and the light is blinking for us to insert it in. And when the Cricut symbol starts lighting up, it's ready to cut. Alright, so now we'll go ahead and get this taken out. And now all we have to do is just weed it. We'll take our weeding tool and go across the edge of where the sticker was cut at. And just go along those lines. And then start lifting up that backing. Oh yeah, just like that. And now all you gotta do is just grab your sticker. Here's our finished sticker. And it actually came out pretty good. Actually came out pretty great. I love the way it came out. I'll actually go ahead and place this probably about right here, since this other sticker was just, you know, kind of lonely. Place this right here. And I'll go ahead and give y'all a good visual of the sticker. Alright family, thank you guys for tuning into this video. I'm excited to see whatever projects y'all come up with. But yo, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, with your family, somebody who's interested in getting into this Cricut industry. I also have my $7 Cricut guide. If you need help implementing new ideas into your business, I'm gonna leave that link down in the description of the video. Thank you again for tuning in. And as always, keep applying pressure to life, because life has no boundaries. Until next video, we out.
Show me.